Hello, hi guys, Annice here. Guys, guess what I have today? I have a giant, that's right, aloe vera. Oh my, this one is really big, guys. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourself, and hope you're having a beautiful day. So what are we going to do today? Okay, well, I know what I'm going to do. I am going to poach aloe vera. Yes, guys, I'm going to do this recipe. I've never done it before, honestly. I've seen it, and I said I'm going to try it. It's poached aloe vera, so we're going to cook it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to steal some of the recipe that I saw on another program, but I'm going to add my touch to it, guys. So that's what I'm going to do today. So first we're going to tap this monster here. Yep. Okay, should get rid of that little tip there. So there we have this monster. Well, it's a good monster because aloe vera is so good for us. So good for us. Yes, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the inside of our body to let the outside glow. Yes. So I'm just going to take off the outside of the aloe vera. Yep. Don't want any skin on it. No skin, because the skin is bitter. Yep. And we're not doing any bitterness today. You know, the skin have its days, because the skin is good as well, you know. I'm just not doing any skin today. No skin, you know, aloe vera is a little bit slippery. So when you're doing aloe vera, you have to take your time and get off the bits of it. Okay. So that's it. So all of the, yeah, well, I like this, you know, it's big and chunky and nice. Yep. Whoa, we're gonna have fun today. Well, I've already washed it, so you have to wash it, guys. Okay, let me just take off the sides. You know, the prickly side. Yeah, let me take them off. I didn't take them off, so I don't want any of us get any cut. So we need to remove the, you know, those prickly from the sides. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. Take them off. So I'm taking off out of it from all of it. It's very simple. So let me do it this way then, because it's easier for me to grip it and then just cut it off like this. Yeah. Yep. So we're gonna know what this is gonna taste like. I'm so excited, you know. Aloe vera is so good for us. It's really detox the body. Yep. Get rid of all of those unwanted stuff that's hiding in our intestine. Oh my. We will be surprised, or sometimes the food that you eat for like months sometimes sticks in our intestine, you know. Yeah. And we have bowel movement, but all of the stuff is not gone. But here is a great idea to detox it and get rid of those unwanted stuff in our bowels that make us sick, sluggish. Yep. I tell you, I love this aloe vera. It is so big and powerful. You know what? I just feel like just eat it like this. I'm telling you, it's really nice. Remember, don't leave the bits on it, the green bits. Because I said, oh, I don't want it because it's bitter. So you're going to get all of it. And I tell you before, it's slippery. So you have to take your time. And I'm doing all of it. So I'm getting off the sides. Yep. Those sides, that's, you know, it's not good. I just peel this bit. Yep. When they're bigger, it's easy to handle. So it's easier to peel it when they're bigger than when they're small. So you get it off. Oh, wow, this is nice and thick. Yeah, I'm getting all of it because I want enough to serve me for a week. So anyone some can just come on over. Oh, that's true. If you come on over, you get some. Yeah, I know my neighbors will be lining up, thinking, oh yeah, I'm coming over. Yeah. Oops, it's raining. Okay, I think that's enough now. That's enough. Okay, so here I have it now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut them in bits. Yep, so I'm just cutting them in bits. Yeah, and then I just put them in the, I have some water here, just put them in the water. Wow, nice and slimy. Okay, that's it. You can't get rid of the sliminess, so just have to make sure, say, any little green bits you see on it, just cut them off. And the little green bits. This must be good for you. If you look at it, you know it's good for you. Yep. It's a cleanser. Yes, this is one of nature's gift to us. Yeah. So we're just gonna use it. That's it. Oh, come on. Alright, this bit have a little green on it, so I'm just going to take it off. And I don't want any green in it. No outer bit on it. Oh, that's alright. Okay. So here I have the, see? Hope you can see. See, we have the, ooh, nice and gluey. So I'll just give it a nice wash. And then I'll wash it again. Yep. So I'll wash it. And I will just give it a nice rinse again, right? Because remember, we're going to poach it, so it's going to go on the fire or on the stove. Yep, this looks good. All right, guys. This is nice. This is lovely. Okay. That's it. I love feeling that. It's really feel good. So I just get rid of this water and get some fresh water. Yep, get some fresh water. And give it another rinse. Wow. Yep. Another rinse. So there we go. There we go. There we go. Another rinse, another rinse, another rinse. Just like when you're doing, it's all that slime on it, but for those who eat okras, it's the same thing. When you think about the cleansing your inside getting from this, I'm telling you, it is worth it. It's worth it, guys. It's worth it. So I am going to poach it now. So I have a little bit of coconut milk here. Yes, so I'm gonna pour it in the pot, right? And I'm gonna use a tablespoon of sugar. So I'm gonna put a tablespoon of sugar in the pot. Yep. So what I'm gonna do, guys. Yeah. See, getting all brown. I'm gonna let it melt a little. The recipe didn't have these in it, but I'm gonna put cinnamon. Yeah, I like the taste of it, and it's very good. So I'm putting some cinnamon in it. Yes, guys. It smells good. It's melting the sugar there. So I'm just gonna pour the coconut milk. Wow. Yep. And now I'm gonna put through in my aloe vera. Yep. That's it, guys. That's it, coming on nicely. And I'm gonna tip a little vanilla. That is my addition. I didn't see it in the other one, but I'm experimenting. So I'm putting a little vanilla. Smells good. Yummy aloe vera. So guys, this is what it looks like. And it smells good. Well, you know, I've added Annice touch. I had put in the cinnamon and the vanilla. And of course I've used coconut milk to put the brown sugar in. So it smells good, guys. Really, 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 really good. And so this now, this is if you want to detox your body. This is cleansing your body from inside. Your skin will be glowing. If you want to lose belly fat and all of that, yes, man, it's good for constipation. You know, just detox your body. Yes, purify your blood and all of that. You have to try this, guys. Well, now is a test. I am going to taste it, and I'm going to tell you exactly what it tastes like. So this is my poached aloe vera, and I'm going to taste it. And I'm going to give it an honest opinion, right? You know what it tastes like, guys? It tastes like, you know, chocho? That's how it tastes. But with that aloe vera taste. Well, this is supposed to, can stay like a week and put in the fridge. Alright, so when you make a porridge in the morning, you cannot steak piece. And put in there. Or on the ice cream. Because it's really delicious now how I do it. You can use it as a topping. It would be great, yes. And don't mind the taste and say, oh, I'm not gonna have it, aloe vera. It's really good. I'm telling you, it's really good. And I'm gonna have another piece, and my body is gonna thank me for it, and you guys are gonna thank me for it as well. It tastes like chocho, but it have all the health benefit. Aloe vera is very good. It's an excellent cleanser. So guys, try it. Yes ma'am. And tell me in the comment if you have tried it. Remember to share my video, like, let me know if you like what you're seeing, and if you like, subscribe, and I will have more video for you. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, you're blessed to be a blessing. So bless you guys.